In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of other devices on Netflix. So this can be really useful if, for example, you left your Netflix signed in to a television and you forgot to sign yourself out, then we can essentially go and remotely sign out of these devices from any internet browser. So I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on a mobile device as well. Now, all we need to do is go and open up an internet browser and then type in netflix.com and press enter. You'll need to make sure you're signed in to your Netflix account. In the top right hand side, click on your profile icon and select account. In the left hand side, select devices, click on access and devices, and then if you scroll down, you'll see all of the devices that you're currently signed into. Now to go and sign yourself out, you can just click on the sign out button next to the device that you want to sign out from. You can also sign out of all of your devices by clicking this button at the bottom here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.